Letter, this one for my fam. Yeah, teardrop down. Letter, this one for the fam. Yeah, bam, letter, teardrop down. Yeah. When I was 3 years old, my pops got shot by the cops and I was all alone. And I was too young to understand what was going on. Damn, nobody there to teach a nigga right and wrong. What's right and wrong? If only you could see me now. They say I look just like you. I walk like, I talk like, I act like I am you. Now you gone and it's hard on me. Wonder why a nigga say fuck the police. Shit, they don't give a fuck about me. Wanna lock a nigga down and throw away the key. It's hard out here on a young black nigga, especially with no father figure. Plus cops shot him with no problem. That'll turn a nigga to a fucking killer. Stomach hurting, no money coming. That'll turn a nigga to a fucking dealer. What's going on in this crazy world? Feel like I'm living in a fucking thriller.
Teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. Yeah, this one for my fam. Letter, this one for my fam. Yeah.
Hey my nigga, fit this for my auntie Rose, see you do it big, my nigga, that's all she want. Man, she was a hustler, she got her grind on. Bet she still out there getting a shine on. We'll see her when we go. When I was 25, my G-Pops died at first, my pride wouldn't let me cry. Looked up at the sky, I swear I seen them fly by. It's so hard to say goodbye to a shooting star. Rest in peace, best from me wherever you are. Nigga, my nephew never made it out the hospital. I guess God's plans for you was much bigger. It's hell on earth, I'm glad you don't have to deal with it. And though I never met you still.
Teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. Yeah, this one for my fam. Let her, this one for my fam. Yeah. Let a teardrop down.
Let a teardrop down, this one for my fam. I'm missing y'all, I'm wishing y'all was here with me now. This for all my loved ones who are no longer around. Pour out a little liquor, then I'll probably blow a pound, just to ease the pain that's on my brain. Mary Jane, my Novocaine. Sometimes I feel like I'm about to go insane. Teardrop for my family. Pain so sharp, cut a nigga so deep. I'm feeling so bad, I'm drinking OE and I bought out the bar. Drinks on me, respects to my nigga J Meezy. I see you nigga, but it's all good, cause when they kill you, that just mean they free you nigga. This for everybody fam who was no longer around. I had to let her
teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. Yeah, this one for my fam. Let her, this one for my fam. Yeah. Let a teardrop. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. This one for my fam. Let a teardrop down. Let a teardrop down. This one for my fam. Yeah, this one for my fam. Man. Let her, this one for my fam. Yeah. Let a teardrop down.